Namaste students, myself Rakhi Agnihotri from RSB Higher Secondary School, class 2nd, Exceed, subject EVS, activity land and water animals. Look at the picture, so many animals are there. Some are water animals and some are land animals. Now, sort the animals living on land and in water. Now, left hand side you write land animals and right hand side you write water animals. Okay? Done? Thank you.